Hey everybody, I'm Scott Galden, owner of Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations, and I'm going to use this opportunity to tell you a little bit about how we go about doing solid hardwood floors here in the state of Texas. Now, in Texas we have a lot of slab foundations, and the first thing you have to be aware of with slab foundations is they wick moisture, meaning they pull moisture up from the ground. And so the first thing we have to do in protecting your floor is use a piece of 6mm polyurethane. That helps prevent moisture from coming up from your slab into the wood and causing what we refer to as cupping. Solid wood floors like this one that are 3/4 of an inch thick tend to expand during the summer and contract in the winter times. And if you don't allow the plywood to let the wood move, you can again have problems. On top of that, we use asphalt paper or felt. That's just used as a dampener, help to prevent there from being that wood-to-wood noise that you sometimes get. And then we install the 3/4 inch plywood on top of that. So that's how we go about constructing the floor. You'll see on this project, we're about halfway through. This wood's been sitting here in the house for about 2 weeks. We're using that as an acclimation process so that the wood is consistent in humidity and temperature all the way throughout the house. So we're gonna let it do its acclimation for 2 weeks, and then we're going to do the sanding and finishing process.